Hey, so I found this nice spot when I was hiking a nature trail, and let's go check it out. I think I'm gonna flip some rocks and logs, so let's flip some. Okay, I'm actually not gonna flip anything because I saw some poison ivy in there, so that's not good. So let's just enjoy this beautiful nature. Well, there's like a hollowed out log there. Let's see what's inside. Wow, that is actually really cool inside. Imagine living in there. That would be nice. There's some cool trees over here, so I'm gonna go check it out. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. It's actually really beautiful over here. Yeah, I like it. And just so you know, like I'm gonna do a face reveal at 30 subscribers. So you guys better subscribe. Well, anyway, bye.